Today we're in Quinta, Lago, one of the most exclusive resorts in Europe, more specifically in Parque Atlântico. Essentially, we're as close as we can get to the coast. We are looking at a brand new villa finished just last year to an incredibly high standard. Let's get the specs out of the way. 2,100 square meter plot, 967 square meters of covered area, plus all the bells and whistles of a property you can expect with this standard. As you arrive, one of the first things you notice is this immense sense of space. There was a lot of thought put into the design of this property. You've got the formal living area, which is great for entertaining and spending time with the family, and you've got this lovely, lovely large kitchen. The size of this kitchen was made for a family who loves to cook and loves to spend time together. 2 built-in ovens, steamer and microwave, and of course the mandatory Bora cooktop. And all this living area connects directly to this great exterior area where you will of course be spending most of your time. And the must-have pool. I mean, look at the size of it. Love the cellar step, which is great if you want to read a book or for the kids to play in. And you have all of this cooking and entertaining area which just screams to invite your friends over. One of my favorite rooms is a snug. If you need to get away or just want some time to yourself, brilliant place to be. The property is also in the renowned San Lorenzo Golf Course, which will soon commence its complete redesign. Further on the ground floor, you've got the 2 bedrooms, plus the office if you have to catch up on work while you're here. On the first floor, you've got the 3 bedrooms, with the main being in the middle. It's not another ensuite, it almost feels like a spa, doesn't it? You've got the beautiful stone in the bathrooms, and you might have noticed, but the carpentry is on another level. Floor to ceiling, solid doors, and complete bespoke walk-in wardrobes. Another place to entertain is this great roof terrace, which is complemented with these stunning views. You've got the mountains, the treetops, and a glimpse of the sea. From here on, let's go to the basement, and of course, we'll be using the lift. And while we are in a basement, it doesn't feel like a basement. We've got so much natural light, and all of this entertaining area with the mandatory pool table, which of course I'm going to be losing every game. You also have a gym to my left, and you've got a big empty room to do with as you please and match your lifestyle. The vendor has bookmarked that for a cinema room. And a room that I feel like every house needs, a nice spa massage room. You'd find me every day here. And I wish you liked this property as much as I did. If you have any questions or want to book a tour, get in contact, reference 2936.